komiti mochung' ne keto tim lipot mar Nadco ochopo e kaunti ma Bungoma marango kaponi weche madito mantiere lipodno iketo tim mar mondo mi okony jodak ma kaunti no. Jalup gavana ma Bungoma Jennifer Mbatianyi onyiso sirikal mamalo mondo ket maino e tieko chenro mag dongruok kapok ochak chenro mamoko manyien. Komiti no bende okwayo counties mamoko mar mondo mi obed gi tudruok maber gi sirikal mamalo kaka kaunti ma Bungoma.
There's fighting corruption at the county level.
We've had a very candid discussion, and I want to appreciate that they are going to take our feedback. And one of the issues which we have strongly raised is the issue of unfinished projects in our county, and we are praying that going forward we need these projects to be completed.
They have urged us to ensure that the national government gets to put more funds to fast-track the implementation of the various projects that are lined up for implementation. The broad-based government, under the leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto, is going and is committed to ensure that those projects are implemented. His Excellency, High Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Honorable Speaker, have also urged that the President and Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga should ensure that within the period of the subsistence of the broad-based government, the various projects that have been lined up for implementation are implemented in good time.
The session that we had here has been very fruitful, and I can assure you that the feedback they have given us, we are going to take them into consideration. We will give the report as honest as it is so that we can carry forward the development agenda of this country together.
We appreciate the cooperation that is there, because from the discussions we have had, the governor is Lusaka is a Ford Kenya party member. The deputy governor is a UDA. This is the cooperation that we are looking at, moving our nation forward, whereby parties, irrespective of ideologies, they are working together to ensure that the common man is able to benefit from the opportunities and development that are there.
Kopogore gi mano, dichuo moro ma jahiga